Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. It don't happen. So go come out there. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ẹ ti gbọ́ nìyẹn o. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 91,000 naira. Kí lẹ fẹ́ rí ṣe sí báyìí? Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000 naira.
Tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LIZZY ANJORIN ó ti jáde sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ó ní wípé ó ní òun jí owó tí wọ́n sọ pé òun jí yẹn. Ó náà ń jí lóòótọ́ o. Ó náà ń jí 91,000 náà. Ó náà ń jí o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ṣàfihàn kí ẹ wo fídíò yìí kí ẹ wò títí dé ìparí torí LIZZY ANJORIN ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidigidi nínú fídíò yìí.
Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Afọ́jú olórí burúkú wọn ló ń ṣe ṣó. Mi tí ì rí títí ẹ̀rọ. Ọmọ Yorùbá máa padà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ padà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Èmi ò sọ fún yín pé ẹ máa gbọ́n. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì ó ti padà post ìwọ náà mò ń dúró dè. Mo ti rọ́wọ́ ẹ lọ́sàn-án. Mo rí pé ó ń rìn ẹ lọ́sàn-án. Ọ̀sán yẹn ìwọ náà ń ṣọ́ mi, èmi náà ń ṣọ́ ẹ. Ó wá lọ kọ́kọ́ post lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì wọ́n lè bá sọ pé ibì kan ló ti rí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà láti rí. Àti ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000 o. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000. Hello. Hello sir. Mo ti wọ̀n láyé ẹjọ́ ìwà. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000 o. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000 naira. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí. Ìyá yín ti jí 90,000 o. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí 90,000 naira. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí góòlù. Sorry. Ìyá yín ti lọ jí góòlù o. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì mò ń wọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ìwọ náà wà mí dẹ. Ṣebí wọ́n ló kọ́kọ́ update lọ́sàn-án. Adẹ̀rí tó lọ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì tó ní lóní àdìtọ̀. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì lóní àdìtọ̀ gbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ngbẹ̀. Mo rí kọ́mẹ́ǹtì ẹ Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì. Ó ti fi page ẹ Gistlover ó kọ́kọ́ fi post. Ó wá lọ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì àwa ń ṣó ẹ. Ìwọ náà ń ṣọ́ wa, àwa náà ń ṣó ẹ. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì ṣé o ò mọ̀ wípé gbogbo ayé máa mọ̀ pé wo ló set me up? O mọ̀. Sórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lénìí. Ó wá jẹ́ kí n rántí bó ṣe palẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ́. The same concept gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́. I still goal o. I still goal. Ṣebí na goal, I still goal o. O lè rè o. Ojú olè wo. Mo ti lọ wo. Mo jí bàbá. Ojú olè olè. Ó ti jí o. I don go steal gold o. See, make I tell you how I take steal the gold. The person wey get the gold, the person dey sleep. I come your kele. I enter the shop. I carry the gold. I steal am. As the person see me like this, the person come dey shout. I say, I think say na rubber band obo Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì. Una no dey see the crowd. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì, you are not smart. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì, you are not smart. This afternoon, you updated. You can't comment. You can't put lonely at the top. Me, I dey watch you. As you sef dey watch me. Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì, you can't remind me how you take set up egbegbe. Ṣeun egbegbe. You know say na the same concept you do for me today. You know say they say egbegbe go exchange money. Me, I no go exchange money o. Na accessories I go buy o. You know say I be tailor. Na accessories I go buy o. I bought the accessories last year November 17. When I reach my shop, I go show you. You know say all these Ṣẹpẹtẹ́rì children, them plenty everywhere. I go buy the accessories. 91,000 naira. I collected the guy account details. my husband help me transfer the money. I asked the guy, did you see the money? He said no. I left for about 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, I came back. I asked him. He said he has seen the money. I said, "Talk." And the guy gave me the accessories. In fact, I bought something from the other shop in front of the guy. That place, na accessories, no be clothes, then they sell for that place. So, no be na accessories. All this, yes, all this, you know, all this, all this collar, all these stones where we attack and all that. Now Tom Jones be that place. So, where then they sell wedding accessories. Now that place. So, sure you understand? They don't do everything where they don't do. As I can't go there, even me, I don't they call one guy safe. I think say na the guy. I can't see the guy. I say, come, I don't they look for you safe. The guy can't tell me, say, into don't they look for me. I say, waiting happen. He said the money where I transferred the other time. Say the money no go. I say, why you no call me? The guy no.